In the following quotation, "We the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual, and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this X do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution. X stands for a 26th day of January, 1950. B 26th day of November, 1949. C 26th day of January, 1949. D none of the above. The next question is, what was the exact constitutional status of the Indian Republic on 26th January 1950 when the Constitution came into force? A. A democratic republic. B. A sovereign democratic republic. C. A sovereign secular democratic republic. D. A sovereign socialist secular democratic republic. Third question is, what was the exact constitutional status of India on 26th January 1950? A. A democratic republic. B. A sovereign democratic republic. C. A sovereign secular democratic republic. D. A sovereign socialist secular democratic republic. Fourth question is, the mind of the makers of the Constitution of India is reflected in which of the following? A. The Preamble. B. The Fundamental Rights. C. The Directive Principles of State Policy. D. The Fundamental Duties. Fifth question is, how many types of justice, liberty, equality and fraternity in that order have been mentioned in the Preamble of Constitution of India? A. 3, 5, 2, 1. B. 1, 3, 5, 2. C. 2, 5, 3, 1. D. 5, 2, 1, 3. Sixth question is, in the context of the Preamble of Indian Constitution, which of the following sequence is correct? A. Republic, Peoples, Democratic, Secular, Socialist, Universal, Sovereign. B. Sovereign, Socialist, Democratic, Peoples, Secular, Republic. C. Sovereign, Socialist, Peoples, Democratic, Secular, Socialist, Republic. D. Sovereign, Socialist, Secular, Democratic, Republic.
Seventh question is, in which form is India declared in the Preamble of Indian Constitution? A. A sovereign, democratic, republic. B. A socialist, democratic, republic. C. A sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. D. None of these. Eighth question is, consider the following words. A. Socialist. B. Democratic. C. Sovereign. D. Secular. Choose the correct sequence of words as given in the preamble. A, C, A, D and B. B, C, D, A and B. C, C, D, B and A. D, D, A, C and B. Ninth question is, the expression socialist was introduced in the preamble of Indian Constitution by which amendment? A. 42 Amendment. B. 44 Amendment. C. 46 Amendment. D. 74 Amendment. E. None of the above, more than one of the above. 10th question is, which of the following was inserted in the preamble of the Constitution of India through 42nd Constitutional Amendment Act? A. Sovereignty. C. Socialist, secular. B. Dignity of person. D. Privacy. 11th question is: the words secular and socialist were added to the preamble of the Indian Constitution by the A. 39 Amendment, B. 41 Amendment, C. 42 Amendment, D. 44 Amendment. 12th question is: which one of the following describes India as a secular state? A. Fundamental rights, B. Preamble to the Constitution, C. 9th Schedule, D. Directive Principles. 13th question is: which one of the following words was not included in the preamble of the Indian Constitution in 1975? A. Fraternity, B. Sovereign, C. Equality, D. Integrity. 14th question is: which of the following words have been added to the preamble by the 42 Amendment? 1. Socialist, 2. Gram Swarajya, 3. Secular, 4. Sovereign. Select the correct answer by using the code given below. A. 1, 2, 3, B. 1 and 3, C. 1, 2, 4, D. 2, 3, 4. 15th question is: consider the following statements in regards to the preamble of Constitution and select the correct one using the code given below. First, the objectives resolution by Jawaharlal Nehru finally became preamble. Second, it is non-justiciable. Third, it can't be amended. Fourth, preamble cannot override the specific provision of the Constitution. Option A is only 1 and 2. B. Only 1, 2 and 4. C. Only 1, 2 and 3. D. Only 2, 3 and 4.
16th question is: what is the legal nature of the preamble of the Constitution? Option A: it is enforceable. B. It is not enforceable. C. It may be enforced in special circumstances. D. None of the above.
17th question is: the preamble of the Constitution was amended by A. 17 Amendment, B. 24 Amendment, C. 42 Amendment, D. 44 Amendment. 18th question is: the term socialist was added in the preamble by the A. 42 Amendment, B. 44 Amendment, C. 52 Amendment, D. None of the above. 19th question is: the term socialist was brought into the preamble of the Indian Constitution by which amendment? A. 32, B. 42, C. 44, D. 74. 20 question is: in the preamble of Constitution adopted on 20th November 1949, which words were not present? 1. Socialist, 2. Integrity, 3. Secular, 4. Republic. Choose the correct answer by following code: A. 1, 2 and 3, B. 2, 3 and 4, C. 1, 2 and 4, D. 3 and 4. 21 question is: the word secular was inserted in the preamble of the Indian Constitution by A. 25 Amendment, B. 42 Amendment, C. 44 Amendment, D. 52 Amendment. 22 question is: the goal of Constitution is to secure and assure all its citizens. First, justice social and economic. Second, liberty of thought and expression. Third, Equality of opportunity. Fourth, dignity of the individual. Now choose the correct answer by using code A 1 and 2, B 1, 2 and 3, C 2, 3 and 4, D all above. 23 question is, given below are two statements, one labeled as assertion A and the other as reason R. Assertion A. India is a sovereign socialist secular democratic republic. Reason R. It was substituted by 42 Amendment Act 1976 for sovereign democratic republic. Choose the correct answer from the codes given below. Code A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true, but R is false. D. A is false, but R is true. 24th question is, India has people's sovereignty because the preamble of the Constitution begins with the words A. Democratic India, B. Republic of People, C. Democracy of People, D. We, the people of India. 25 question is, where have the words we the people of India been used? In the Constitution of India. Option A. Directive Principles, B. Fundamental Rights, C. Citizenship, D. Preamble of the Constitution. 26th question is, all individuals are fully and equally human. This principle is known as A. Universalism, B. Holism, C. Socialism, D. Interactionism. 27 question is, which among the following is the correct expression of the term secular in India? A. India has many religions, B. Indians have religious freedom, C. Following the religion depends upon the will of an individual, D. There is no religion of the state in India. 28th question is, which of the following words is not mentioned in the preamble of the Constitution of India? A. Sovereign, B. Democratic, C. Secular, D. Federal. 29 question is, which of the following words is not in the preamble to the Constitution of India? A. Socialist, B. Secular, C. Sovereign, D. Public welfare. 30 question is, which one of the following liberty is not embodied in the preamble of the Constitution of India? A. Liberty of thought, B. Liberty of expression, C. Liberty of belief, D. Economic liberty. 31 question is, which among the following is not mentioned in the preamble to the Constitution of India? A. Social justice, B. Economic justice, C. Political justice, D. Religious justice. 32 question is, which of the following is true in relation to the preamble of Constitution of India? A. The words socialist and secular were not the part of the preamble on the enforcement of Constitution in 1950. B. The above-mentioned words were inserted by amendment in 1977. C. The above-mentioned words were inserted by amendment in 1985. D. These two words are not part of the preamble. 33 question is, which part of the Indian Constitution has been described as the soul of the Constitution? A. Fundamental rights, B. Directive principles of state policy, C. The Preamble. D. Right to constitutional remedies. 34 question is, who among the following called the Preamble of Indian Constitution the horoscope of our sovereign, democratic republic? A. Jawaharlal Nehru. B. Vallabhbhai Patel. C. B.R. Ambedkar. D. K.M. Munshi. 35 question is, who has termed Constitution a sacred document? A. B.R. Ambedkar. B. Mahatma Gandhi. C. Deen Dayal Upadhyay. D. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. 36 question is, in which case did the Supreme Court first declare that the Preamble is not a part of the Constitution? A. Berubri. B. Sajjan Singh. C. Golak Nath. D. Keshwanand Bharti. 37 question is, in which of the following cases Supreme Court held that the Preamble forms part of the Constitution? A. Union of India vs. Dr. Kohli. B. Banarsidas vs. State of UP. C. Bommai vs. Union of India. D. Malak Singh vs. State of Punjab. 38 question is, in which of the following cases the Supreme Court regarded Preamble as a part of the basic structure of India Constitution? A. Baru Bari case. B. A.K. Gopalan case. C. Privy Purse case. D. Keshwanand Bharti case. 39 question is, the ideals and objectives outlined in the Preamble of the Indian Constitution have been further elaborated in A. The chapter on fundamental rights. B. The chapter on directive principles of state policy. C. The chapter on directive principles of state policy. Fundamental rights and fundamental duties. D. Nowhere else in the text of the Constitution. 40 question is, the objective of Indian Constitution is reflected in which of the following? A. Fundamental rights. B. Preamble of the Constitution. C. Directive principles of state policy. D. Parliament. 41 question is, how many types of justice has been enshrined in the Preamble of the Constitution of India? A. 2. B. 3. C. 1. D. 4. 42 question is, in the Preamble of the Indian Constitution, which justice is provided to all its citizens? A. Social, religious and political. B. Social, economic and cultural. C. Social, political and cultural. D. Social, economic and political. 43 question is, economic justice as one of the objectives of the Indian Constitution has been provided in A. The Preamble and the Fundamental Rights. B. The Preamble and the Directive Principles of State Policy. C. The Fundamental Rights and the Directive Principles of State Policy. D. None of the above. 44 question is, the Preamble to the Constitution of India is A. A part of the Constitution but has no legal effect. B. Not a part of the Constitution and has no legal effect either. C. A part of the Constitution and has the same legal effect as any other part. D. A part of the Constitution but has no legal effect independently of other parts.